Hi guys, so we move on to the next part of permutation combinations, and that is the applications of permutation combinations with geometry. Personally speaking, it is one of my own favorites. This part, very frankly, when I was a student, when I was learning quant and like the other sections, when I was an aspirant, I personally used to hate permutation combinations. But then when I became a mentor, I studied like PNC in depth, and that is why I started like relating with things out there, and I just started enjoying this topic. So this is one part which really intrigued me when I started studying PNC in detail. So let's understand a few concepts connecting PNC with geometry, and it's a very good exercise because it combines two like different, altogether different or seemingly appearing different concepts into one. So kind of concept mixing भी हमें यहाँ अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. So let's start. We'll solve a few questions. First question is, there are four people to be arranged across this table. It's a square table basically, and across which I'm supposed to arrange four people. I need to find out in how many ways can this be done. Okay. So, guys, we saw this before when we studied the arrangement of people across a circular table. That when the first person comes, the first person has exactly one choice because the circle is completely symmetrical, right? आपको घुमा भी सकते हो ऐसे, तो जो सीट पहले राइट में थी वो ऊपर भी आ सकती है. So it's the same arrangement, right? उसका जीता जाता डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन I'll give you in this particular question. So four people are to be arranged across this table. पहले हम एक जन को यहाँ बिठाते हैं. Okay, so we need to first arrange the first person. Okay, I'm randomly placing him in the first place here, right? Okay. और एक ऑप्शन था हमारे पास, हम उसको राइट साइड में बिठा सकते थे, ये भी एक ऑप्शन था. ओके हमारे पास एक और ऑप्शन था, हम उसको नीचे बिठा सकते थे, राइट. एंड हमारे पास वैसे एक और ऑप्शन होता कि हम उसको लेफ्ट में बिठाते, राइट. ओके नाउ गाइस अंडरस्टैंड, सिंस द स्क्वायर इज कंप्लीटली सिमेट्रिकल, ऑल द साइड्स आर आइडेंटिकल. ओके assuming there is a dark room, okay, whichever place you see these like whichever place in which you sit this person, okay, they are basically corresponding to only one location, that is topmost location, right? As you can imagine, okay, I can rotate the table anytime. It's a dark room. Okay, so कहीं भी इसको बिठाया हमने, okay, this first person, okay, you are basically making it sit only in one location, right? Because you can anytime observe that the table can be turned, right? Okay, so from here you can realize that when the first person comes in, he has exactly one option. And guys, ये same चीज हमने देखी थी circular arrangement में, right? So same thing, exactly same thing happens over here. When the first person comes in, he has exactly one option. Why? All the four seats are identical, right? When the first person comes in. But अगर suppose हमने first person को बिठा दिया, now guys, every person will be arranged with respect to the first person, right? So now all these three seats will become distinct, right? Okay, because एक जन अब उसके सामने आके बैठेगा, so you can say हाँ, it is he is sitting in the seat which is opposite to the first person का seat, right? Okay, suppose कोई उसके left में आके बैठ गया, so he will come here. So you will say कि हाँ, he is sitting to the place which is to the left of the first person, right? This person is sitting to the place which is to the right of the first person, right? So now every person, or rather every seat will gain sorry, every seat will be called with respect to the first person location, right? So now I have three different seats and I need to seat three more people, right? That can be done in 3p3 or 3 factorial ways, that is total 6 ways, right? Okay, so in this case, okay, four people need to be arranged across the circular the square table. Okay, this can be done in 3p3 or 3 factorial or 6 ways, right? Let's say suppose I have two seats, okay, and now I have to arrange 8 people across this table, right? You can observe something similar happening, guys. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Let's say I seat the first person here. Okay, all right. If you observe, ये जो top वाला side मैंने दिखाया है, उसका ये seemingly left वाला portion हो गया, left seat हो गया. Okay, एक और left seat यहाँ भी है, right? This one, isn't it? All right. एक और left seat, guys, ये वाला भी है, this one, right? So यहाँ पे हम किसी को बिठा लेते हैं, exactly here, right? And एक और left seat, guys, ये वाला होगा, this one. यहाँ पे हम एक और जन को बिठा लेते हैं, for example, right? Okay, guys, understand all these seats here, they are identical in nature, right? Because you can rotate the table and again make them all appear as if they're sitting on the top left side, right? Okay, so understand, guys, as long as we have a square table, the sides are completely identical. That doesn't make a difference. Okay, सेम वे अगर मैंने फर्स्ट पर्सन को राइट साइड में बिठाया होता, लेट्स से, ओके, एंड राइट साइड कैन बी मेड अवेलेबल ऑन ऑल द साइड्स हियर. ओके, सब साइड का राइट टेबल हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे इस साइड में, राइट, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज कैन बी रोटेटेड टू make them identical to the first location, right? So यहाँ पे again we have exactly one way. So as you can see here, we don't have different sides के respect में different types of seats, right? The different seats are only based on the different number of seats which you have on one side. So अगर एक side में दो seat है, I can say that the first person has exactly two choices, right? Either left or right, है ना? Because आप ये left right में इनको कहीं भी place करो, अगर मैंने suppose इसको यहाँ place किया है, उसकी जगह पे यहाँ place किया, यहाँ place किया, यहाँ पे place किया, all these seats are identical, right? So first person has exactly two options, either left or right. Now once you place the first person, okay, suppose मैंने right side उसको place कर दिया, suppose, ठीक है. Now I have exactly 7 seats remaining, right? एक यहाँ पे and बाकी जगह पे 2 2 2 6 plus 1 7, right? So now all the 7 seats become distinct because now you will call the 7 seats with respect to the first seat that you have occupied, right? So 7 people, 7 more people need to be seated in 7 seats. This can be done in 7 ways. That is 7 factorial. And initial person के पास दो option थे, right? So final number of ways क्या हो जाएगा guys? 2 multiplied by 7 factorial. Okay. This will get more clear once we solve one more question. Okay. So 12 people to be arranged across this rectangular table. In how many ways can you do that? Okay. Again, guys, same thing. Okay. Suppose मैंने एक person को यहाँ बिठाया, दूसरे को यहाँ बिठाया. Okay. You can again rotate the table and make these two same, right? Isn't it? Okay. Same way. Okay. अगर मैंने एक को यहाँ बिठाया, okay, second to the left, okay, from top, और दूसरे को मैंने बिठाया second to the right from bottom. Okay. You can again rotate the table and get the same location, right? Are you understanding this? Okay. So basically speaking, okay, there are let's say the first, the top left seat and the right bottom seat, they're identical. Okay. The second left and the second right from bottom, they're identical. Okay. The second right from the top and third, from the or second from the left, they are identical, right? Niche se. Okay. Again, the rightmost in the top and leftmost in the bottom, they are also identical, right? You can rotate them, and these two also are identical, right? So in this case, you can observe that there are only 6 distinct options available for the first person who comes in, right? Okay, because whichever way you seat this in, अगर आपने suppose इसको यहाँ की जगह यहाँ बिठाया होगा, you can again rotate the table and get this first location back, as we saw, right? Okay, so first person when he comes in, he will have exactly 6 options. चलो आपने किसी एक जगह उसको बिठा दिया. Okay, place any one person randomly in one seat. Okay, now the remaining 11 seats all become distinct, right? Because now the remaining people will be arranged with respect to this first person, right? Okay, so now we have 11 people to be seated in 11 seats. The number of ways of doing this is 11p11 or 11 factorial. But initial person had 6 options, right? So final number of ways, guys, कितना हो जाएगा? 6 multiplied by 11 factorial, and 6, that is 6 into 11 factorial, right? That's the required answer. Okay. Something similar we'll see in the next question, guys. And I want you to pause the video and try the question out this time. All right. So 9 people to be arranged across this equilateral triangular table. Okay, then how many ways can we do that? Okay, again same thing, guys. अगर मैंने इसको यहाँ पे place किया, okay, you can see left side पे, okay, the topmost seat, okay, right side पे bottommost seat, okay, and नीचे side पे leftmost seat, okay. So guys, if you observe carefully, these three are not different but the same arrangement, right? हमने अगर इस वाले को rotate कर दिया 120 degrees से in the clockwise direction, और इसको भी rotate कर दिया 120 anti-clockwise से, see you'll get the same arrangement, right? Okay, so this seat and this seat, they are identical. Okay, and also this particular seat, they are identical, right? These three are identical, the center seats, okay, and these seats are also identical, right? Okay, so what you can observe is, guys, across one side we have only 3 distinct seats available, right? So here you can observe that the first person can be seated in 3 ways, isn't it? Okay, either center, okay, right or left, isn't it? 3 options are available for the first person, right? Now let's say I have basically made the first person, okay, sit in one place, okay, but since the first person has been placed, now the remaining people will be arranged across the seats with respect to the first person, right? So now we have 8 distinct seats where I will have to arrange 8 people, right? So 8 people in 8 seats can be arranged in 8p8 or 8 factorial ways. Okay, and 8 factorial के साथ साथ हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 3 से उसको multiply करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because initially the first person had exactly 3 possible options to sit, right? Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. I again wanted to try this question out and then we'll discuss. So 7 people to be arranged across this isosceles triangular table. Okay, in how many ways can we do that? Okay, now बहुत लोग मुझसे कहते हैं कि सर ये वाला seat जो है where the first person is being made to sit right now, it's blinking on your screen right now. Okay, and the second seat, okay, at the top you can see it right now. Okay, these two are identical but they are not. Let's see how. अगर मैंने इसको rotate किया 180 degrees clockwise से suppose, okay, so this is where you get the person seated, right, नीचे, whereas the first place is here at the top. Okay, अब इसको वापस अगर rotate किया मैंने, okay, so again it will come to the same spot, right? Okay, these two places are not identical, they are different, isn't it? ओके कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि नीचे वाला जो होगा सीट वो आइडेंटिकल होगा, राइट? वो भी करके देखते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो हमने एक पर्सन ऊपर प्लेस किया लेफ्ट टॉप पे, ओके, एक हम नीचे प्लेस करते हैं राइट बॉटम पे. ओके, इसको रोटेट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, गाइस? ओके, द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द टेबल विल चेंज. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे पॉइंटेड साइड ऊपर था, यहाँ पे ये वाला साइड ऊपर आ गया, राइट? ऑल्सो द पर्सन इज लुकिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट? इन दिस केस, इस केस में द पर्सन इज लुकिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, द डायरेक्शंस आल्सो आर नॉट द सेम, राइट? ओके, तो यहाँ से हम लोग एक चीज सीखते हैं, गाइस. The one thing that we learn here is that all the 11 seats are distinct over here, right? Because आप किसी भी सीट को रोटेट करके किसी और से कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे, right? So here we have 11 distinct seats. We have 7 people to be arranged in the 11 seats. This can be done in 11p7 ways, right? As simple as that. So the next question, I want you to try this one out, and then you can resume the video to look at the solution. You can pause the video right now. Okay, so we have 8 people to be arranged across this isosceles trapezium shaped table. Okay, again, we have seen this like for the isosceles triangle also. Okay, तो ये वाला seat इससे identical नहीं होगा, and nor will this seat be identical to this one, right? They are all distinct seats, right? So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 distinct seats. Okay, उसपे I need to seat 8 people, right? So 8 people in 10 seats, the number of ways is 10p8. As simple as that. Okay, so that's about it, guys. I hope you would have had sufficient understanding regarding the arrangement of people across geometrical tables. So let's go on further आगे जाके.